Welcome to Dr. KPR Study. This is your Padmaja. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please support me through your subscription. Do like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. In this session, we will focus on few of the environment related previous year questions which will be useful for various competitive examinations. Let's begin. Environment refers to the natural world of land, water, air, plants and animals that exist around it. The sum total of conditions which surround human beings at given point of time. The interacting system of physical, biological and cultural elements which are interlinked. All of the above. The correct answer to this question is all of the above. Environment refers to the natural world of land, water, air, plants and animals that exist around it, the sum total of conditions which surround human beings at a given point of time, the interacting system of physical, biological and cultural elements which are interlinked. Next question. The word environment had an origin from which language? A. German, B. French, C. Spanish, D. Arab. The correct answer for this question is D. French. The word environment has origin from French language. Next question. Environment is a composite state of A. Biotic factors, B. Physiographic factors, C. Abiotic factors, D. All of the above. The correct answer for this question is D. All of the above. Environment is a composite state of biotic factors, abiotic factors and various physiographic factors. Next question. Environment is an invisible unit which is created by A. Physical resources, B. Biological resources, C. Biological and physical resources, D. The combination of physical, biological and cultural resources. The correct answer for this question is D. The combination of physical, biological and cultural resources comprises the environment. Next question. Which among the following is not the constituent of physical environment? A. Types of landforms, B. Soil, C. Minerals, D. Settlements. The correct answer for this question is D. Settlements. Next question. Which among the following concept is wrong? The working of environment is governed by natural laws. B. Terrestrial unity is present in the environment elements. C. Environment is the reserve of physical resources, not the biological resources. D. Self-enrichment capacity is inherent in environment. The correct answer for this question is environment is the reserve of physical resources, not the biological resources. World Environment Day is celebrated on 21st March, 23rd September, 5th June, 25th May. The correct answer for this question is 5th June. Next question. Assertion. Environment is the store of immense force. Reason. Environment elements are created as a result of environmental forces and process. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. The correct answer for this question is both A and R are true but R is the correct explanation of A.